My name is Brendan Giles. I'm the founder and CEO of Athena Intelligence. At Athena Intelligence, our mission is to bring human-machine teaming to data analytics. We're building an artificial employee, an AI data analyst for enterprises. We serve Fortune 500s, helping them with everything from preparing data all the way through to serving and disseminating it through reports and tables. I would say, in general, when you're selling into a Fortune 500, most of the work is bespoke. So historically, software systems that were trying to be sold into these organizations had to come with a lot of services. In the recent 2 years, a lot of the technology has advanced in such a way that we're effectively able to sell this as true software, allowing teams to really push the envelope of what bespoke looks like. Everything from our go-to-market strategy all the way through to support, implementation, even our sales process. A lot of that is automated in ways that historically would be highly service-based. So for us, Gretel has allowed our extremely small team to build extremely bespoke demos and environments for what we call pilots for our customers. So in most enterprise sales, the ability to articulate the problem directly back to them is one of the best ways to kind of get in the door and to prove the value of your software or your service. For example, if we were to walk into McKesson tomorrow, we would spend probably days, if not weeks, leading up to that meeting, preparing a bunch of synthetic data by going into Excel and typing out a bunch of things we believe is relevant to the team that we're meeting with. Nowadays, 15 minutes before the call, we can be doing this. And even crazier, we've actually started now doing it live with the customer. I want to quickly show how fast we're able to iterate on a schema, how we can actually generate that and iterate on top of that in a matter of seconds, maybe under a minute. So we're meeting with the Old Spice team, Old Spice at P&G. Their data set is going to be marketing performance from their hair care line. And can you put 3 sample values for each field? So we can see pretty quickly how we're going from a broad idea into a specific schema that's going to plug into Gretel Navigator. Let's open Gretel Navigator, we'll paste this in and generate. I think this is great. And right off the bat, we can see a pretty great data set of everything from demographics, customer reviews, so different data types. Our iteration from these data sets is quite small, actually. It's our job to kind of come up with that original idea, and then Gretel Navigator does a lot of that heavy lifting to understand what's the representative data set. And I can actually download this and start using it with a customer. We were out in Tennessee for a supply chain conference, and we actually walked into a meeting with Chick-fil-A and generated the data set like probably 15 minutes again prior to sitting down with them. And within the first 5 minutes, one of the account managers over there kind of was a bit flustered, thinking that we had actually stolen some of their data. And we had to really show him the Gretel Navigator system to show him we're not taking any of your data. It's just generating synthetically meaningful data based on what's publicly available. So for us, Gretel Navigator has allowed us to specifically show up to that meeting with a more interesting data set that's more relevant. Our software, Athena, an AI data analyst, actually uses Gretel Navigator under the hood as a tool, as an API, directly for our customers. So today, a customer can log into our system, call Athena, and ask her to use Gretel Navigator to generate a synthetic data set, which has allowed teams in healthcare, in more sensitive industries, to actually generate data sets such that they can analyze them without directly connecting to those systems in many occurrences. Over the last year, working with Gretel and the Gretel Navigator team, what were some of the cost savings and benefits we've seen? The shrinkage from time to deploy with a customer is now from probably 6 weeks. Today, we can do that within 1 to 2 days. For us, the Gretel Navigator product and team has allowed our team, a very small group, to build bespoke pilots, allowing us to serve a significant portion of customers that we didn't have access to today.